Hello guys, welcome back to GeoTips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to change date and time in Windows 11 or how to set the date and time. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to is just have to go here in the search icon. From here at the top you have to search for settings. Now press enter. From here you have to navigate to time and language. Open this. And from here, as you can see that I have already set the time. Okay, and this is correct. Now for those who are doing for the first time, all these will be completely turned off. So you have two options. One, to set time automatically, which can be done over here. You just have to enable this. And also the most important part is you have to select a respective time zone. So as you can see that it is available. So as I'm from India, my time zone is this one. So you have to select the respective time zone. And also you can set the date and time by clicking over here. You can set the date and time and you can select date 2, which is of today, July 2021. And the time is around 9:04 morning AM. You can select it from here and you have to go for change option here. Or else the easiest way, which I request you guys, is you just have to turn this on. Okay, turn this on so that the time will be automatically set. But you have to do is, very important step is, keep the time zone according to your geographic location. And I hope this series is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.